Now that I've got your attention, please turn back to your screen. This will be a tutorial of how to make your own Minecraft adventure map. Hit the intro! Okay, so obviously you need to make a new world, so you can call it whatever you want. If you know what you're going to build already, you can call it whatever, but I'm just going to call it test because I don't know what I'm going to build yet. So you obviously want it in creative mode. Cheats definitely want to be on. Doesn't really matter to the difficulty. Then you want to hit this button down here called More World Options. You don't want to generate structures off. You want that off. Then you need to change your world type to super flat. Now, it just depends what type of map you want to make. If you're going to make like just a world map, you're just going to build a house and upload it to Planet Minecraft or something, you can do that. But this will pop up in your, we go here, super flat, then you click customize, and this layer material will come out here. Then you want to click on presets here. This will be this line of code here. And this is all the ones you can pick, but I recommend you change this to either a 20 or a 40. Not 240, a 40. Now I'm just going to change it to 20 because I'm not really going to be digging anything, but change it to 20, and what that means is that instead of 5 dirt or 3 dirt, it changes it to 20 dirt, and that's all that I recommend you do for that. You can do it you can't import some settings, but I'm going to show you how to import them from inside the game. So then you create your world, we'll load for a few seconds. Okay, so you are in your Minecraft world. There's obviously going to be some slimes around because that's just how Minecraft works. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to do /game rule, do mob spawning, and you want to set that to false. And the slimes are still there, but no more slimes are going to spawn. Now, you can do the /kill, add E, type equals slime, kill, and it'll kill all the slimes. You can just do that again. Alright. So do game rule again and do weather cycle false. Game rule again, do daylight cycle false. /do, oh wait, no, /game rule, do, I think it's mob loot. I don't know. I think it's entity drops. False. You can always change this later if you want to set it to true. I'm just going to kill myself because there's items on the ground. So I'm lag a little bit. Alright, so now that you have all your game rules. Oh, let me just. Alright, there. So first, you got to figure out what you're going to build. Now, there is tons of choices of maps you can build. You can build Find the Button, Parkour, or just questions, or just a cool map with your own design. So, I have a preset for command blocks, but you probably will need command blocks for your map. And in order to get this, you need to /give @a command block 1. This will give you a command block. Now, in order to change the command block, you place it down, and if you're in creative mode, you can open it up, just like a crafting table, and you can change it to chain or repeat. Now, these all have different features, which I will tell you about later. So this is my command blocks, and first, you don't really need command blocks just yet. You need to build a hub or like a lobby where you start your map, basically. So I'm just going to get some white concrete here. There is millions of designs that you can make with this. Now I'm just going to do a really quick and simple one. Like this, and then we add some color. So we'll add like a red, an orange, some yellow, some green, maybe some purple, some blue, some pink, I don't know, magenta. Alright, so then you fill all this up with your colors. Of course, this is my lobby. You do not have to copy this at all. Alright, so you have your floor. Now, you can do lots of things with what I have given you here. You could build up walls with this exact same design, or you could make it different. Now, but what I like to do is I'm actually currently building an adventure map that has a lobby, sort of like this. And what it does is it's basically a disco, so it just changes colors and colors and colors again. Now I'm gonna show you how to do this right now, because the clone command is a little complicated, but you'll probably get it. So this is where you will need your command blocks. Now, first of all, you need to what am I doing? Anyway, you need to make, what am I doing? Oh, okay. So you need all your colors again. And you want to build a completely different pattern than what you have made. So like I have purple in the right corner, so I don't want purple in the right corner. So I'm going to do that, and green. So I have purple, yellow, and green. So I don't need that anymore. Then I'm going to do purple, blue, and red. So I don't need these three anymore. And I'm just going to use this, that's... I'm really messing today. Okay. I'll just edit that entire part out. Okay, so you need all your colors that you just placed down, and you need to make them into a different pattern. So I'm going to take these three blocks I don't need anymore. Then I'm going to take this. But I still need pink. Alright. Then you take these three colors, and I'm going to do this. There. So now you have this panel here that should be different from this one. It's exactly the same. You need to change it to something different. Then you get your command blocks. You only need 2. Here. Then you want to get the coordinates of this block and this block here. And in order to do that, you do /set block. And then you just keep pressing tab, and that's the block. Then you do central A. Then central C, which means you copy that. Then you want to take this over here, do /fill, tab, tab, tab. Then you want to copy that. Then you want to get rid of the /set block thing over here. So it should all light up yellow, central A, central C. So now you have the coordinates of this entire square, and you want to come to this command block, do /colon, that, and then get rid of the fill, /clone that, and then you want to get the coordinates of where you want to put it. So you press done, then you're going to come over to this red block here, get it, central A, central C, then come over to the command block, central V, which means you copy it, then you place it down to here. Then you want to come over here, you want to do filtered. Oh, whoops. I don't think you actually have to do anything. So if you look closely, that pattern will go over to that block. But we don't want to do that yet. We don't want to do that quite yet. So then we want to make this exact pattern over here. So if we get all the blocks again, just like so, then we'll make the exact same pattern. My pattern is purple, yellow, pink, orange, light blue, green. That doesn't look right. Is that right? No, it's probably just the white. Okay, whatever. And then we got green, blue, and purple. So that's the exact same pattern as that over there. Alright, now you do the same thing you did from that one to there. get this corner. Then get this corner. Central A, Central C. Then bring it over to this command block, which you now have typed in any code or whatever. You don't mess with that. Clone. That. Oh, dang it. Okay, so I have it now. So then you press done. Then you want to get the coordinates of this red block again. There you go. And then that should be it. Now, in order to test this, you want to get probably a button here. So then that should change. Oh, I think I did the wrong block. You want to get the thing of this block, not the one above it. Alright, there we go. See, the clone command is kind of weird. You gotta know exactly where you're going. Alright, so that should be good. Let me do the same thing over here, get rid of this. Alright, that should be better. I am terrible. Okay. Alright, there we go. So we have it. See that this pattern is the exact same as that pattern. So we click it. See, it doesn't change, but we click this one. It changed again. Click this one. It changed again. Now, this is where, it's not really that complicated, but this is where, sort of, okay, whatever. So you want to take a repeater, put it in the middle. 4 ticks. 4 ticks. 4 ticks. And 4 ticks. Now, this is called a clock. Click it. It should start a clock. See? Dance floor. Dance floor. Dance floor. Dance floor. Oh, and you see this thing on the chat? You can do /game. Game roll. Do. Oh, wait. Sorry. Command block output. False. Now, this doesn't mean that the command block doesn't work. It just doesn't take this text to the side that says successfully clone 9 blocks. It just gets rid of that. See? Now it doesn't do it anymore. Now, this is basically just a disco floor. Now, you don't want to remove these two because then it will just clone air because it's constantly taking this entire thing and putting it over here. And if you remove that, it would just put nothing there. Now, what you can do is you can amplify the experience. Go into the command blocks, Central A, Central C. Then take it over here. Central V here. And then you take this one, Central A, Central C. Take the command block, put it in there. Now this basically just makes it faster. But I'm just gonna keep it like that. But since I'm gonna, it's not really liking that much. So once you're done with that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a. You want to make a area where they can either press start or read the rules of your map. So I'm gonna just make it out of black. Take a sign here and some red dye, because you can dye signs now, and you want to do start. There. And you can dye it red or whatever color you want, or you could keep it black. And then I don't really recommend any buttons, but you know, it doesn't matter what button you choose. I'm just going to choose a jungle button because that was there. And usually you would have rules over here, so like no cheating, no breaking blocks, no doing this, blah blah blah. So the player would spawn here, then look around, see what's going on, then press start, and they would go towards the map. Now, of course there will be rules, but now the world spawn. Now, the world spawn is kind of weird because if you just set it for this block, there would be in the block and it would be glitchy, so you set it for one block above it. So do /world. What am I doing? I don't know. That's set world spawn. That's it. And then obviously you're looking at the box to automatically say that. Set it. And then slash spawn point. And then enter that, the block you're looking at. Then if you kill yourself, you would spawn on that block. Now, I believe you can do directional, but I'm not really into that. You can do directional here. Angle. So you could do, this is angle, so you want to rotate it 180. Obviously, I will face this way because that was just my spawn point, but if we go back to set spawn point, oh, what am I doing? To 180, because math. I'll be facing towards the button. See? There you go. I am smart, big brain. Okay. So now that you have this, obviously you would have some other things with boards, but you want to get it teleported to your first area of your map. I'm just going to build something simple. I'm not going to really put much work into it. So this is going to be the second level. This is just an example. I'm not really building anything big. So this is just an example. Now, what you want is when you push the button, you want it to say level 1 or whatever you want it to say, and you want it to teleport you to right here. You don't have to have bedrock here. It's just for example of where you're going to spawn. Now, in order for this is where the chain blocks come in. You want to have one impulse, a single impulse. You don't want to have like this and have like random repeaters everywhere. No. You can keep this really nice and simple by using chains. Or you can keep this really compact by doing this. Because you just can, and it's just very simple, and you can just... Okay, there you go. See what this, you see the arrow, so this chain block will go to here, 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 here. All these commands will run at once, but it would be the same thing. So you want this to TP you to here. So you want them... Okay, so you want this block here, so you want to do slash set block, of course, and get the coordinates of that block. Then you want to come to your first command block, TP at P, because that's the nearest player, and then you want it to teleport you to that block. There. And then it would be, you can do facing direction, so you could rotate them 180 or... Anyway. There you go. So, if it's correct, you would press the button, and you would spawn on this bedrock. Alright. So there you go. And then, if you want to make, like, say level 1, you could do title at P title, and then we would do text level 1, and that would be good. And then when you click the button, it will say level 1. Now, if you want to make it cooler, you could do this. Oh, that's the wrong command block. That's the right command block. You could do this. You're going to add a thingy. A thingy, you know, the thing that separates sentences, the thingy. And you could do color. And you could do green. And then it would shine the text green. See, level 1. You could also make it bold. You can also make it bold here. Bold. True. There you go. Now it's going to be bold. It's going to be different. It's going to look cooler. Level 1. Okay. Now, that's basically it. I can show you some other stuff. So if you want to add a sound, you could do play sound, orb here, experience orb pickup, player at a tilde tilde tilde. Then you said post / volume. So I like my volume at 12 and my pitch 1. Oh, and then pitch, what am I saying? Pitch needs to be 10, I believe, or 0. I guess that could work as well. So now, when you enter it, see? Then you can name it different, like 2. See? Now it's really high. You could do -1. Nope, you can't do that. Remember. Pitch 0. See, that's the original sound. But you can do it as best as you want. You could do a lot of other stuff, and like mine, you're gonna have to chop down a tree. So obviously you're gonna do stuff. You're gonna give at P iron axe 1. So we're gonna do can. Oh man, can destroy. Oh, it's been so long. Oak logs. I think that's it. Oh, I forgot how to do the command. Oh, my brain. I forgot how to do command. Oh, I can destroy oak logs. Or is it oak wood? Might be wood. I don't remember. Oak log. Yeah, okay. Can destroy oak log. Here we go. Can destroy oak log. I'm gonna have to look this up. Give me a second. Okay, I think I got it now. So it should give me an axe that can break oak logs. Yes! You see that little thing down there? It can break oak log. I just forgot some brackets. So yeah. Actually, I'm gonna change these to spruce logs so they can't break them because that would destroy the map. So I'm going to make a tree here. That's not oak leaves. So I'm gonna make a tree here. The best tree you've ever seen. Because yeah, tree. Okay, so that's that. And so if I go into adventure mode, game mode, adventure, I would spawn here, I would get that, and I would have one that could break oak logs, so I would be able to mine these. But as you can see, I cannot mine anything else, because, yeah. So let me just replace those, and yeah, so we have a tree. A good thing to have is a reset button, so you reset everything in your world, but we're not going to go right now because we are working on level thing. So I don't know how to do villager trading yet because I'm not that far into command block things, so yeah, I'm a failure. So next we want to be able to smelt the wood, so we will give him a furnace. Where's the furnace? I saw it earlier. Furnace, yay! Boom! Oh no, not there. Boom! So we want the furnace, and we want it. You just smelt the oak log, so we want the coal. Now, obviously, we need to do a test for command so we can smelt that. So here, I believe if we do a repeating command block now, repeating. There's not a test because this is weird. I don't know Minecraft. Okay, pretend I didn't say anything. So we're just gonna, yeah. Okay. So when they mine the tree, it will go on to the next level. So I'm just gonna do the cheat bay, and I'm just gonna place an observer here and sure. Yes. This is going to be the best tree you've ever seen. Yes, best tree you've ever seen. Now, of course, we're gonna have to do that stuff, but since to keep it simple, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get the corners of this block. And I'm gonna bash it into this one. Redstone block. Boom. And I messed something up, didn't I? Nope, we're good. Okay, so meaning this will do the good thing that it needs to do. Alright, so this basically, you know, the normal stuff, you know. So we're gonna take the command from this, because I'm a cheat, and take it into here, and we're gonna change the level 1 to level 2. Bada bing, bada boom, level 2. Okay, and then we're gonna take the experience orb thing sound effect. Correct, and then we're gonna take it over to this block, so that, yeah, okay, it sounds great. And then if you want to give your thing anything, you can place it here. Of course, we're gonna have to build the second level, which would be, we're gonna do it out of stone because we're cool. Take the bedrock, put it here for an example for the YouTubers. Yes, and then we're gonna build a stone wall with diamonds. Where's the diamonds? Where's the that's obsidian. Diamonds. Okay, so you spawn here. So we need to get the block from here. So set block. Get the things. Yes. Boom. And then we're gonna come over here because we're gonna in to be there. B, bam. So it do the thing, because we do the thing that is the thing. Boom, level 2. All right, so we're gonna need a pickaxe this time instead of a thing. So give at P pickaxe. We'll do an iron pickaxe. And of course little bracket thingies. And we're gonna say 1. And then, what am I doing? We're gonna copy that. First we need to do clear. At P. Done. Then we do the iron pickaxe. So can destroy. Oh, typed it wrong. Can destroy. Bam. Bada bing. Oh, wait. Diamond. Ore. Yes. So, when we mine the wood, it should get rid of everything in my inventory and give me an iron axe. It didn't clear that. Hold on. Alright, boom. So, if we go through it in survival mode. Oh, wait, we have to add one more thing. So get this. Copy that. Put that back on there. Get this. And we're going to set this to air instead. Bam. Cool. So if we hop in here, we're going to spawn here. Get more adventure mode. We'll spawn here, do this. We're going to mine the axe. We're going to do this. Bam, level 2, didn't go to the axe. And then we're going to mine this, which will go on to the next level because we're cool. Yeah. Okay. It didn't get rid of my axe. sadly. Just gaming. Okay. Why isn't this working? Whoa. Okay, clear Minecraft Iron Axe. Clear at P should work. It should work, my friend. It doesn't clear my inventory! But, okay. Now it doesn't work. No, it won't. It won't. This command just won't work. Do I really have to do this entire thing? Can destroy this, that. Oak. Log. Now will it work? I get. Okay. Well, since we got that down, now we need to block off these levels. So we want to slash give. That's nice. Give at P barrier, and then we want to do this thing here. Alrighty, so now it's time to test it, and then at the end of the video, because we're cool. Game mode adventure. Okay, so obviously we want to test for bugs, so obviously we can walk outside because we didn't do barriers. Start. Can't jump over. Now here's the one thing I'm worried about. No, okay, that's the one thing I was worried about. Ooh, we forgot about the oak logs that he would possibly pick up. That's fine. Do this, and you win. So I'm just gonna fix that right now. I think it's... this thing, which sadly... It's going to be very annoying now because we did so much. Huh. Okay. Okay. So now if we do... Let me just chop down this piece of wood just to make sure things don't drop. Things don't drop. And that's that. And bam! The first 2 levels of our adventure map is done. We've got a disco dance floor and I'm so lonely. Got disco dance floor, incredibly non-simple, and we got this incredibly non-simple, and this monstrosity, incredibly non-simple. This thing, which is incredibly, you can't even see it, bro. You can't even see it. You can't even see it. And then you got this, and you mine the diamond, and you win. Yeah. So, okay. End of video. Explosion. I didn't put it, did I? I totally didn't.